Hello friends, my name is Rajiv and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Ancient Indian Tales. Today we are going to hear one of the Jataka tales named The Revenge of Brahmins on the Monkeys. Once upon a time, Brahmdatta was king of Banaras and in his garden lived 1,000 monkeys. 500 of the monkeys were led by Bodhisattva and another 500 was led by Devdutt. It so happened that the priest of the king came once to the garden. He took bath in the pond in the garden and he was going back. And one of the monkeys, who was of his ill ways, shitted at the Brahmin. It fell on his head. And as the Brahmin looked up, he shitted again and it fell into his mouth. Brahmin was very angry. He went to the garden again, took bath and went back. And while he was passing by, he said, I am going to take revenge. You watch out. After some time, this thing was brought to the notice of the Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva said, we must go out from here. He is going to take revenge and it is going to have ill consequences. And Bodhisattva went away with his 500 monkeys. The other monkeys led by Devdutt, they decided to stay on. He said, nothing will happen, and they continued to live. After some time, it so happened that King's slave was pounding the rice. A goat came and started eating it. King's slave threw a fire on the goat. The goat ran and went to the stables where elephants were kept. And the fire caught the stables. And the elephants' back were burnt. Many of the elephants had to bear the burnt. The king was very annoyed. And while the elephants were nourished by the chief physician, king asked how to take care of these elephants. The Brahmin priest who was looking for a revenge said, we may use the monkey's fat. It is going to heal the wound. King asked, from where we are going to get the monkey fat? The priest said, there are monkeys living in the garden, sire. You can have them. The king ordered all the monkeys in the garden to be killed and their fat to be brought to take care of the elephants. So the archers were sent and they went into the garden and killed all the monkeys by their arrows. One of the old monkeys could save himself but was wounded. He went to the place where Bodhisattva was living with his herd and he told them what happened. And he said, you were wise to come out from that place. It's better not to live with your foes because they are going to hurt you soon. He also said the leader must not only be strong, he must be strong as well as wise. Only then he can take care of the herd. Thank you very much for listening to this story.